Hi. What's up? Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I have 10 skincare and hair care products under 1000 which are quite good, and I'm really excited to share these things with you. And yeah, let's start this video with today's sponsor, which is Plum. And I have been trying out few products from this brand. They have their birthday sale coming from 1st July till 4th July. They have few exciting offers like up to 40% off on their products, and if you make a purchase of 1299, you're gonna get their Driving Me Cherry body scrub for free. Oh wait, there are more. If you make a purchase worth 1999 or more, you're gonna get their avocado hair mask and their Driving Me Cherry body scrub for free. Also, there are gift cards with exciting offers with each order. So Plum is gonna turn 7. I mean, long time, and they have interesting products. They're also cruelty free, vegan friendly, and yeah, they have sent me few products, and these are my top picks for this sale. And let me introduce you these things. So first I have their avocado Nourish Up hair mask. I like this hair mask quite a lot, you know. It is very nourishing, ingredients are nice, it has few emollients, it has shea butter, few oils, and avocado oil comes before phenoxyethanol. Unlike many other like hair masks where they say they put avocado oil or jojoba oil, and we see these are the last ingredients which mostly come after phenoxyethanol. But we have to understand that any brand cannot put too much hair oil in a hair mask, especially if it is something we have to use after shampooing. So yeah, there has to be the balance, and this avocado hair mask, it does a very good job in nourishing my hair. But I would recommend you to detangle your hair before using this mask. I mean, I mostly detangle my hair before shampooing to make a shampoo and conditioner's job to be easier. So yeah, this is something I do, and this way this hair mask works very well for me. I keep this on for 10 minutes, sometimes 15 minutes, then I rinse it off. The texture of this hair mask is quite good. It makes my hair smooth and manageable, and I quite like this one. So up next I have their Hello Aloe gel, and I have been using this thing for a long time. This is the third tub. I mostly use this gel while shaving or in a like hair mask or face mask. That way it works for me, but there are many ways you can use aloe vera gel. The texture of this aloe gel is kind of on the thinner side, but it doesn't bother me much. Actually, it helps when I use it for shaving, and when I mix it with honey and put it on my skin as face mask. This way it works great for me, and I'll be repurchasing this aloe vera gel because it has been working well for me. And yeah, you can try if you want to. So next I have their Driving Me Cherry body wash. I'm not that much into body wash, if you know me, but I found this one to be quite good. It doesn't dry out my skin, and it has fragrance, but I don't mind fragrance in Leave-On skincare products, and the smell is quite good. They have other variants as well. This is sulfate free. If you're looking for something sulfate free when it comes to body wash, it can be a good thing for you. But like I told you, sulfate, like this thing, it depends on the formulation. Don't think if a product has sulfate it has to be bad. No, it comes down to the formulation, and I have spoken about it in my previous videos. I have provided few research papers. So yeah, but still, if you are looking for something sulfate free, if you find these things to be like more gentle for your skin type, then obviously it can be a good pick for you. And next I have their this gel body scrub. This is from their again Cherry line. Even this one was from their like Driving Me Cherry line. These both are from Driving Me Cherry line. So yeah, this one is a gel based body scrub. I think it will be very good during summertime, because I have noticed sometimes when I use cream based scrubs during the summer my skin is kind of like feels okay, it's too much. So yeah, during summer it can be very good, and overall it's a decent product, and the granules are not harsh. It does what it claims, and yeah, it's a quite decent body scrub, and they have other variants as well. So if you want, can you see it? Yeah. So yeah, they have other variants as well, so if you want you can check out those variants. So the last thing I have is the Candy Melt lip balm. This is the shade Berry Fist. It gives like medium kind of a color, but it is nourishing. My lips feel like smooth and plump when I use this, but if I have to purchase this one, then I'm gonna go for the Red Velvet one. I mean, I like the color, but I don't love it. I mean, this color is just not my personal favorite. So yeah, if I buy, then I'm gonna buy the Red Velvet shade. That's my personal preference. But performance wise, this lip balm, what's wrong with me? This lip balm is quite good, and I'm enjoying this one. So yeah, here you have it, my top picks for the sale, which is gonna start from 1st July and gonna end in I think 4th July, and you're gonna get like up to 40% off and other many exciting offers. So if that interests you, then yeah, make the most out of it. So now I think I have spoken about like 5 products from Plum. Now 5 more products. So I have this Simply Pure from Superdrug. It's their gentle makeup remover for sensitive skin. This is fragrance free and has very minimal ingredients, and I love their creamy cleanser, which worked really well for me, so I went ahead and I bought this one. So this is very good at removing makeup, dirt, sunscreen. You can use this all over your face, not only for your eyes. That's how I use it. You can use this as micellar water, and it is a very good option, I'm telling you, because it is very effective at its job, and the ingredients are decent. It has cocoa glucoside as a surfactant, then it has glycerine, then few emollients, pH adjuster. So overall this is a good product, both the creamy cleanser and this one from this brand Simply Pure. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, it doesn't sting my eyes a bit, not a bit. So yeah, these are quite good, this one, even that creamy cleanser one. So up next I have one castor oil. So I bought this Tropical Oil castor oil, which was very expensive, but recently I got to know about this one. This is Aunt Baby cold pressed castor oil. It is not Jamaican black castor oil, but it has been working very well for my hair. The quality of the oil is good, and I like the packaging as well. They have, you know, this brand Aunt Baby. Can you see it? Okay, so this brand Aunt Baby, they have body butter as well. I want to try that because why not? And I'm looking for good body butters and body lotions, and if you have any recommendations, sorry, so yeah, if you have any recommendations, then let me know. So up next I have a cleanser. So I have recommended you that Bioderma Atoderm gel cleanser. It was like $5.99 for 200 ml. Hold on, Bioderma has come up with, let me give you a, so sorry for that, where was I? Okay, that gel cleanser is quite decent, and if you have the gel cleanser, you don't have to go and buy this one. I mean, whatever works the best for you, but I had to share this with you. I bought this recently, so I couldn't test it for a long time, but it really impressed me. It has gentle surfactants, this is fragrance free, pH is good. So if you're looking for a gentle cleanser that cleanses your skin effectively without drying it, you can give it a try. And in the morning I'm gonna use creamy cleanser like Cleanse Sure or Cleanse Me. In the evening I'm gonna go on with this, and I'm so excited to share this with you. But if you want a detailed review, then hold on for some time. I'm gonna use this for few more times, then I'm gonna let you know. But so far so good. I have bought their toner as well, but I'm not gonna recommend it now because I need some time to taste that one. But with cleanser I come to know how it's gonna work on me, like with 1 or 2 washes. Also I have tried that minimalist salicylic acid cleanser. It is pretty good too. It doesn't dry out my skin at all. I mean, with salicylic acid cleanser I was like, I'm kind of worried, like, you know, it's gonna dry out my skin. My skin's gonna feel uncomfortable, but the formulation is quite good. I quite enjoyed that cleanser as well, but I have to test it for like longer to give you my like full review. But yeah, so far so good with the cleanser as well, but I won't use it every day. I'm gonna use it in the evening like thrice or 4 times in a week. That's all for me. Next I have this body butter from Moms Co, and I like this quite much. This is not fragrance free, but I don't mind fragrance in a body care product, and it doesn't have much of like fragrance, so doesn't bother me much. Smell is kind of strange, not bad, but strange. The texture is interesting. It takes some time to absorb in my skin, to be very honest, but once it is there, it is there. It nourishes and moisturizes my skin, so I'm quite enjoying this. The ingredients list also seemed interesting. I'm gonna give you like a full review of this brand. I have tried their lip balm, it worked for me. Then this body butter, it worked for me. I'm about to try their hair mask. I couldn't try that yet. I bought it like long time back, so I'm gonna try that. So I'm gonna give you a full review, and if you have any more recommendations from this brand, let me know. And the ingredients are good. It has water, coconut oil, glycerin, then it has few emollients, then we have shea butter, fatty alcohols, almond oil, olive oil. It has rosehip oil, arginine, but it has orange essential oil. I don't like citrus based essential oil much, but it is a body care product, and I don't think they have used it in a high quantity, and it didn't give me any trouble. So yeah, but if citrus based essential oils bother you even in your body care products, stay away from this. But if not, it can be a good option for you. If you have dry skin, it can work really well, but you might find this to be kind of heavy during summer. Maybe during the winter you're gonna find this more comforting, but for me it is working well even during the summer. So yeah, good one. And I have few more good body care recommendations like moisturizers, body butters. I'm gonna make a video soon. Even I am liking this Vaseline advanced repair body lotion. This is quite decent. I mean, it has been working well for my skin. I'm gonna review it soon. I had tried their cream as well. They have one cream from this range which was decent. So last I have this Via Naturals Peptide Moisturizer. I have been trying this like for almost 1 month, and I quite enjoy this moisturizer. This is quite decent. The ingredients are good. The first ingredients are like water, glycerin, then it has few emollients, fatty alcohols, texture enhancer. It has cocoa butter, shea butter, oat extract, olive oil. It also has rose water. I think they have used this for masking, and it has wheat protein. So this is quite good, but if you have like fungal acne, I mean if your fungal acne gets triggered from oils, this one might not be for you because it has many oils, but it doesn't feel oily on my skin. The texture is decent, it is lightweight and moisturizes my skin well. It has 2 peptides and vitamin E, and overall it has decent ingredients. But yeah, do a patch test. I think Mochi has reviewed this product in details. You might find that to be helpful. Even I'll try to review this product very soon in details. But yeah, so far it has been working well for me. If you have super oily skin, this might not be for you. If you have like normal skin, then dry skin, it can work well for your skin. And it doesn't make my skin look dull, because I get this concern from people that, you know, their moisturizers, these things make their skin look dull. But it didn't happen with this moisturizer. But again, I can't tell for sure how it's gonna react on your skin or how it is gonna work on your skin. So yeah, I also have other good moisturizer options like this one, Muji moisturizing milk. This is quite affordable. Like you get 400 ml for like 900. It's gonna like last forever, you know. The ingredients are decent. It has squalane, then glycols, emollients. It has olive oil. So if you get fungal acne from oil, stay away. It might not work for you, might, because it also depends on the formulation. I have reviewed this product in detail, so I'm going to leave the link down below. Another moisturizer that I'm trying out is Xerena. So far so good, but I need some more time to review that thing. So yeah, that's all for now, and I hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you.